Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So when I shifted my location from that Twin Flames area, and the location I actually took this new flat, there were a lot of other challenges. As there was a divine test which I did not clear till the time I stayed there, and that I will share in particular video because I will have to share a lot of divine tests which I have gone through. So this property where I shifted, and now as there were already a lot of challenges, so what was happening in front of my room, there was another couple staying who had a one, I think small son, and they both were working professionals. So what was happening that they ordered a lot of things like online shopping, and in a day they are receiving 3 to 4 couriers. So I also have a habit of doing a lot of shopping. So again, as I work in night shift, and then I had to sleep during daytime, so my sleep was already disturbed because of because of my own shopping thing, and sometimes other reasons. So these couple were actually expecting me to receive their couriers daily. So I said, I understand that I can receive it for a day or maybe once in a month, but then it comes daily and this is not possible because it disturbs my sleep. So I told them that you can ask the security guard at the gate who can receive your couriers, and you can take it once you are back home. So they said they were not happy from this statement, because I was also doing the same thing when I was not at home. Then security guard was receiving my couriers, so they got upset and angry. What they started doing, they started putting garbage in front of my main door intentionally, wherein they had already a lot of space. So they just wanted to argue or fight, and I understood the reason. But then, and now, there was another lady who was staying on the same floor. She was complete evil woman. The day I shifted, what she started, like, she immediately came and started asking my information, that where have you come from, where is your family, what do you do, and all, every information. And for the first time I recognized that she's an evil lady and also an energy vampire. Now she was trying to she was actually knocking my door every day, like. So what was happening, when my shift was getting over 4 a.m. in the morning, and I was about to sleep, or maybe I was able to sleep around 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. because I also had to do my inner work, those spiritual practices in the morning time. So I was already struggling a lot because of these entities. They were not letting me sleep, not even during daytime. So I had to struggle a lot, had to do a lot of hard work to sleep. So again, the moment I was able to sleep, this lady kept on knocking my door, ringing my doorbell, and intentionally, for giving any sort of stupid excuses. So if the main door is not clean, if there is a garbage, or dirty things, then it actually invites dark entities, negative entities. And then I was already struggling a lot. They were not stopping. So this was challenge. And then this lady was disturbing my sleep, one after another. I was facing, issues in this property. And then as, even though somebody was standing below my floor, I used to hear their voice a lot. And then this lady, what she used to do. So one day I taught her, that do not ring my bell in any circumstances, it is bothering my sleep. So then I had to be a bit of rude with this lady. So she stopped it for a few days. But then now what she started doing, that she used to come and stand in front of my door or nearby my door and start talking loudly with her maid. So then again I could hear her voice, it was so loud. And then if there is an energy vampire, if they are even nearby my surroundings or talking, and if I'm able to hear their voice, it actually bothers my energy. So these two neighbors, started making me angry on a regular basis, and I was not at fault. I was not doing anything, but then, yeah, they were doing it intentionally, and that's what the test was. I'll share it in a separate video. So then I had to teach a lesson to this lady, this energy vampire, evil lady, because the property she was staying in, that was my immediate, relative's property. So I had to teach her, hard way. And then still she was finding excuse maybe in a month or twice that, she'll disturb my sleep or my energies. This property, the best thing I was experiencing, that there were a street cat, a very beautiful cat, and then there were several dogs. So they used to come and sit in front of my door during nighttime, and I used to feed them daytime and nighttime. So then this lady went and complained to the the security guard. Then animals are coming to her place because she calls them. Then I said, how, if I call an animal, will they really come? Can you also call? So then I started laughing, that people have a lot of problem with animals, even when I'm feeding them outside the house. So they were making complaints. So they were kept on making excuses that I should be bothered all the time. and I understood that was my test. So now, so what has happened? So anger was getting increased day by day. Also, as this was my known area, a lot of relatives were there, and then family house was also nearby. So they started coming. The family members started visiting me on a frequent basis, and because of a karmic entrance in the house, these entities also gets access. So I realized that, but then I had no option. How would you stop them that don't come to my place? And because they were staying nearby my house, so now I had to struggle with that. I stayed there I think for 6 months or maybe for an year time. So now at the moment I shifted at this place, immediately what divine started saying that reunion is destined. And as I heard this, I actually became so angry and rude with divine. I said, like, I will not let this reunion happen because I do not want that person. No matter what, I will not let that person to become part of my life. And then meanwhile, a new problem started, another challenge. It was the person I was reporting in my office, my director, and he also became VP that time. So he got married, and when he got married, then he started putting me all of his burden, official burden on me, because I was able to handle it, because I have already worked on higher designation. So now what he did, when he went on honeymoon, for 15 days I guess he went after his wedding. So meanwhile, I was actually alert because he gave me a lot of responsibility and I was handling his work. So I did not want anyone to complain me or him, because of his wedding, because it was a precious time for his life. So I was working, I did not make any mistake during this time, and I also received appreciation from a biggest client. So now what that client did, that client actually sent an appreciation email to the owner of the company, and then owner of the company actually circulated that email within the company, sent it to all VPs and directors. So my this director also saw that, and since then he actually became insecure. So before this, he was absolutely fine. I was not facing any kind of problem from him, not even in behavior wise, because since I started working from home after this, COVID, I kept on making a lot of mistakes, and he was adjusting a lot, wherein no company adjusts, like, taking leaves on new moon, full moon, and then also there were several energy portals, and every second month I was going on leaves at least for a week and for 15 days. So nobody adjusts, that much. So from 2020 March till 2023, it was a regular thing in my life that I kept on going on leaves for a week and for 10 days and 15 days, and he did not say anything. And when I was making mistakes, he was always scolded by higher management, but he did not say anything to me. But when he became this he when he saw that I actually received this appreciation, so now why he became insecure, that he thought maybe I can replace him, wherein I was not at all interested in that. So but then still there he started playing insecurity game. So he started someday like shouting and saying some other words which was not acceptable. So I realized that now he has become insecure. So even though if I tell him that now you are behaving this way because of insecurity, so he will not accept it. And then when you will not accept, what is the point of telling you that you are behaving in this way because of insecurity? So what he said to me after I received that appreciation, that I have not received this appreciation for my work. It was he told that client to send that appreciation. So I knew that he was lying, and then I called that particular person from that client, because I had a good relationship with these people being a client. So they were again senior management. So I said, why did you send an appreciation when this guy asked you? So that person said, no, I have not sent this appreciation because he said that he did not say anything. It was because of your work. So now why did they send that appreciation? Because I have a speed. So this person was always delaying the reply. So these were Americans who were actually looking for such kind of quick response. So they started getting it from me. That was the reason that they sent this appreciation. So I was confirmed that this person is actually lying, that he has asked them to send me this appreciation email. But I just wanted to be reassured that whatsoever I am thinking, that this person is behaving in this way because of insecurity. And And since then, when I received this appreciation, this person started playing, another level of game that, started telling me that you make a lot of mistakes and you are not, doing this and that. So he was thinking, if he talks to me like this and creates insecurities within me, so that, I will not think that I can replace him or I can handle the work, what he handles, because he was so senior. So then he kept on repeating these things, it was becoming a regular thing in my life. And now this person became another reason for disturbing my energies. So the moment I was able to calm down myself because of other issues, these energy vampires and these entities, so this person started becoming a reason for my anger. And when I am angry, it was taking me a lot of time to calm down myself. Now he was also playing another game that he kept on shifting his burden on my shoulders, that now he wanted to visit other countries with his wife. He wanted to take a lot of leaves because he saw that I can handle his work. So I had no problem that in handling his work. I was always happy seeing people getting married and living a happy life. So I was happy taking his burdens. So but now he became insecure and started misbehaving. So when he kept on doing these things, so since this COVID started, every second month I was telling him that let me resign, I want to go. But every time he did not let me go. Every time he said, you do whatever you want to do, we will agree all of your terms and conditions. And then even after this, when he saw that I'm able to handle his work, so he was sure that he would not let me go from this office, and he will kept on playing this sort of insecurity game that you cannot handle my work, so don't even think like that. At the same moment, I'm handling all of his work. So as it was already making me, angry, his behavior, and then these, neighbors, and then these dark entities. Also, this twin flame, when I left his area, the spells he was doing, monthly or quarterly, now he started doing it on weekly basis. So that was another level of, bothering I was feeling. Because when you are able to see a twin flame, face to face, they are actually receiving your energies. So now he was not getting energies, and then he kept on doing the spells so that I don't forget about him, I do not move on from him, and I should kept on thinking about him. So even though when you're thinking about this person, you are always giving them your energy. So when this director did not stop, he kept on playing that insecurity game. So I told him, see, this behavior of yours is actually disturbing my energies, and I'm already going through a lot. So this is not acceptable. You decide, either you let me go or you put an end to your behavior. So he said sorry, and then he said, okay, I will not, I'll take care of these words, and you can keep on working, and I will not, make sure that your energies are not being disturbed again. But then he was again and again, doing it. Like if he's not playing that game with a regular basis, then he's definitely doing it, in a month. So I was like, no, I don't have space, for accepting such sort of energies or behavior in my life, not even once. So one day he was, shouting on me, and for no reason. I did not even do any mistake. So the moment, he started shouting on me, so he was talking about a particular email. I said, what is the mistake in this email? And then, that moment he realized that, I might have caught him, that he's doing it intentionally. Since then, he started talking politely. So I said, listen, that, the work you are doing, the designation you are working on, I have handled it, long time back, that too for several years. That is the reason that I'm handling this, this much of work of yours. So don't mistake that. If I'm here for a reason. So there he said, okay. He understood that, but then I realized now there were different things which were aligned in my career, when it comes about my professional work. So everything was aligned as per divine plan only. So in this company, actually, the culture was like, people were so friendly with each other. So this person had a amazing, relationship with his boss. And there were several bosses he was reporting. So they used to say any, selfish, mean, wrong, hurtful things, in a fun way. And they were not even minding it. So that was a sort of, relationship he was trying to build with me. So I said, no, I have not done this, never allowed this kind of behavior, even in my personal, family relationships. So you are not a part of family, and when it is not allowed there, then it can never be allowed here also. Because many times when he was rude with me, I was rudest with him, and I was insulting him, and he was kept on listening. So I said, I don't like this, when somebody is senior to me in designation, and when you are a hardworking person and I am insulting you for your reason, I am not at fault. So I don't like such kind of relationship. So it is your fault. Either you let me go or you stop, bothering my energies. And meanwhile, Divine kept on telling me in these 2 months, like, from November 2022 and December 2022, several times Divine kept on repeating that reunion is destined. So I realized Divine was trying to make me angry, or maybe angrier, intentionally, because before this, Divine never said that. Divine said, remove this person from your mind and thoughts, and then start doing this inner work. So there I thought, yes, Divine is by my side. Divine is supporting me. So next time when Divine said that reunion is destined, then I said, that you actually hate me. You don't love me. Till now I have been, thinking that since my childhood, you have loved me and you love me, because I have always been supported, protected, given everything what I ever wished for, even was thinking. And so, but now I think, though, no, you are not my supporter. You are actually, you hate me. You are doing this intentionally. And there I actually started becoming rudest with Divine. So when next time Divine said that, this reunion is destined, so I said, I understand that, I am a powerful person, but I am not powerful than you, and I am your creation. I am in this acceptance. So if it is your wish, your choice that this reunion is destined, then I understand it is out of my control, and I will not be able to stop this, reunion happening. But if you send this person in my life, if you make me married to this person, I will make him like a pet in my house. I will never love him, never care for him, and he'll always face my anger and other bad behavior. If you do this, this is how I am going to behave with him forever. So I told to Divine, you send this person in my life as you want this reunion to happen. I will keep him like a pet, like a dog in my life, wherein though I actually like and love animals, but this dog will never find anything except hatred from me if you send this person in my life. I was talking about this twin flame. And then on every new moon and full moon, I was already feeling a lot of anger, about this twin flame, because of his magic and other things, the secrets I got to know. So now I was like, getting already so angry, and I started using words which I was not supposed to use. But now it was out of my control. I could not handle those self, because Divine already took my control back, from anger when I, went through spiritual awakening. So as Divine kept on repeating this statement about reunion is destined, then I actually started, threatening Divine that if you send this person, I'll do this, I'll do that. And then also, as I knew my destined career, so I said, whatsoever you have decided to give me as blessings in my future, I will put that all into charity. I will not keep anything for myself, and that you all always wanted me to be happy with all those things. So you will feel bad. I do not want all those things. So if you send this person in my life, I will do all those kind of charity. So I said, like, as it's your choice, this reunion is destined. So I said, I have seen so many marriages, wherein people are not happy with each other and always fighting and arguing and unhappy in their regular life. So I will make sure this person experience all sort of hatred from me if you send that person in my life. That is a commitment from me. So you decide what you want. So when I started, doing this inner work after spiritual awakening, I even became more sensitive to energies, and at times I was having problem with, other people voice when they are talking, if they are talking loudly. But it was in case when people are, actually energy vampires. It was not somebody good who is talking. At times I had problem with music also, wherein I love listening music. And after spiritual awakening, there was something which was happening related to music that I'll share in another video. So in December 2022, I realized, that I am so rude with Divine, which should not be, because I have always been supported and protected by Divine, and I have always been taken care of. So now I was actually feeling guilty. I should not behave this way with Divine. I can be rude with anybody in the world, but not with Divine. So as I was feeling guilty for being rude with Divine, then I calmed down myself in the month of December, and I thought, why now Divine is all of a sudden, started saying about this reunion? Because before this, Divine was like, you remove this person from your thoughts, and we are with you. But now, so there I thought maybe I have done some sort of mistake in my past life, because of which Divine want to tie this person in my life as a punishment. And there I actually checked my past life, and with this twin flame, I saw a shocking story that I'll share in another video. And then I had another conversation with Divine about this reunion that I'll share in separate video. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.